Hi, I'm Dean from McDurmon Distributing, and on today's tech tip, we're miraculously talking about something other than props. It's starters today. We get a lot of calls in the call center on this. This is the traditional, very heavy I/O starter, 9-tooth. This is the new and improved gear reduction starter, which is the 11-tooth. We get a lot of calls saying, man, this isn't going to work on there. They work. They do interchange. They did the different offset on the pinion here where the mounting is, so that will accommodate that bigger Bendix on there. And you want to make sure that you use the bolts that come with these gear reduction starters. Do not use the bolts from this to this. You'll end up with all kinds of problems. So always remember when you're dealing with starters or any kind of fasteners to torque them to manufacturer's specifications and recommendations. So I hope this tech tip helps you out. Remember, at McDurmon, we're your parts professionals.